One of the questions that I get asked most often is whether or not I feel like the religious life living in a convent is oppressive, if it's suffocating to have all these rules, this very strict schedule, the hard work that we have to do, the things that we have to do in our regular lives that others might find oppressive. For me, the answer is no. I've never found it oppressive to live under the rules of a religious community. I actually find it very freeing because I'm really allowed to be who I actually am. What I found oppressive and suffocating was when I was living in the secular world and I was being told what a woman should be, how a woman should look, how a woman should talk. All the female roles of secular society felt very uncomfortable to me and extremely oppressive. My inner self is much more attuned to the religious life. All the rules in the community make sense to me, even if I don't agree with them or some of them are a little weird to me. They make sense in the greater picture, the bigger picture of being who I really am. I heard it described really perfectly one time by a woman that went to a search program with me when I was looking for a community to join. She said whenever she walks into a convent, she feels like she's finally able to breathe a sigh of relief and remove all the masks that she's been wearing all her life to try to fit in. That's exactly how it felt for me. I was finally able to stop pretending to be somebody I wasn't and to be who I actually am. So I've never felt more freedom in my entire life. I've never felt such limitless possibilities for my future as I do in a religious community.